Hi there! Today we are going to learn how to make a paper stick. Well, this is going to be an interesting one. Let's see what do we have in our book. We see multiple instructions right here. Let's see how to make these sticks. The materials required for this one are craft paper, glue, and stencil. At first, let's take a paper and start by rolling it from the right corner. We will hold it like a diamond and then start rolling it slowly from the right side. If you're not comfortable doing it with one hand, you can also turn it and start rolling it with 2 fingers, with multiple fingers and a thumb. After that, let's take this glue and stick this. Continue rolling it like this. And look at that! The first stick or the thinnest stick is ready. Let's take a paintbrush for the same and keep it right here. After that, we will start rolling it inward. Let's roll it slowly and properly. Yes, let the paintbrush be inside. This looks interesting, and now remove the paintbrush and then stick this. Let's take our glue and stick this nicely. We can open this and tighten it a little bit. Make it even from both the sides and roll it on top of the glued part. This looks amazing. Let's keep it aside. And finally, make the thick one. Let's take our pencil and roll it inwards. Something like this. And finally, put some glue right here and stick it. This was such an easy activity, isn't it? Slowly stick it. And look, our stick is ready. We have the thinnest stick, then we have a medium-sized stick, and then we have a fat stick. This is amazing.